You got the job. You were happy. You were excited. You were ready for your first day. But then, a coworker smiles and says, "Good morning, how are you?" And suddenly, your mind goes blank.
Oh yes, that feeling is so real. Sometimes getting the job is only the first challenge. Then comes the next one, talking to people at work in English.
And that is exactly what we are helping you with today. In this episode, we'll show you how to make small talk at work in easy, natural English.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with Sam and Lily.
This is the place where we help you speak English in a way that feels simple, useful, and natural.
Hi Sam, how are you today? You look like you need coffee.
I do need coffee. I feel like a Monday morning.
That is such a real answer.
Yes, and honestly, Monday morning small talk at work can be one of the hardest kinds.
That is true. I'm doing well today, a little busy, but good, and I'm happy because this topic is very useful.
It really is. So many English learners ask, how do I talk to coworkers? How do I sound friendly? What do I say when someone starts a conversation?
And the good news is, you do not need big English for that. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need long answers.
Exactly. You just need simple, friendly English.
And before we begin, please like this video if you enjoy learning English with us.
And subscribe to Speak English with Sam and Lily for more easy English conversation practice.
And if you have a friend who works in English, share this episode with them.
Okay, let's imagine a real workplace situation.
It's your first day at work. Maybe you're in an office, maybe in a shop, maybe in a cafe, maybe in a childcare center.
You walk in, you smile, you feel a little nervous. Then a coworker looks at you and says, "Good morning."
That sounds easy, but many people still freeze.
Yes, because they start overthinking. But this kind of small talk is not a test. It is just a friendly moment.
That is such a good point. Small talk is not a speech. It's just a friendly moment.
So let's begin with the easiest kind of workplace small talk, saying good morning.
A coworker might say, "Good morning." "Morning." "Hi, how are you?" "Nice to see you."
And your answer can be very short. For example, "Good morning. I'm good, thanks. How about you?"
Or, "Morning. Pretty good, thanks."
Or, "Hi. I'm a little tired today, but I'm good."
That sounds real and natural.
Yes, at work, real and natural is better than perfect and strange.
So you do not need a long answer like, "Actually, I am doing very well today because the weather is beautiful and I had a good breakfast."
No, you can say that, but you do not need to. Short answers are okay.
That is important. Short answers are okay.
Now, let's move to another very common workplace topic, the weekend.
Yes, people love asking about the weekend.
A coworker may ask, "How was your weekend? Did you do anything nice? What did you do on the weekend?"
And again, your answer can be simple. "It was good, thanks. I stayed home and relaxed."
Or, "It was nice. I went out with my family."
Or, "Nothing special. I just rested."
And sometimes the most honest answer is, "I slept."
Yes, honestly, that is sometimes the best weekend.
Very true. You could also ask the question back. That makes the conversation feel natural.
For example, "It was good, thanks. I stayed home and relaxed. How about you?"
That last part is very useful. Ask something back when you can.
Yes, small talk is usually like a little game of catch. One person speaks, then the other person speaks.
Now, let's talk about another very common workplace question. How's your day going?
A coworker might say, "How's your day going? Is it busy today? How's work today?"
You could answer, "It's going well, thanks."
Or, "A little busy, but okay."
Or, "Yes, it's been a busy morning."
Or, "I'm a bit tired, but I'm fine."
These answers work in many places. In an office, in a shop, in a hospital, in a childcare center, in a warehouse.
That is why this kind of English is so useful. It's simple, but you can use it everywhere.
Now, let's go to the lunch break, another very common moment for small talk.
Yes, the break room is a very social place.
A coworker might ask, "Have you eaten yet? What did you bring for lunch? Are you going out for lunch? Want a coffee?"
And you can say, "Not yet, I'll eat soon."
Or, "I brought food from home."
Or, "I'm going out for lunch later."
Or if someone asks, "Want a coffee?" you can say, "Yes, I'd love one, thanks."
That one is very useful for you, Sam.
Yes, I will always remember that sentence.
And if you're listening and thinking, this is easy English, that is exactly the point. Small talk does not need difficult English.
Yes, friendly is more important than fancy.
Friendly is more important than fancy.
Now, let's talk about how to start a conversation yourself, because sometimes you do not want to just answer, you want to begin.
Yes, this is helpful, especially on the first day or with a new coworker.
The good news is, starting small talk can be very simple. You can say, "Good morning. How's your day going? Busy morning? Did you have a good weekend? Have you been working here long?"
Those all sound easy and friendly.
Yes, and that is why they work. The simpler the question, the easier the conversation.
Let's do a little role play. I'm the new coworker. You start the conversation.
"Good morning. How's your day going so far?"
Good, thanks. A little busy, but good. How about you?
"Pretty good, thanks. Have you been working here long?"
Not very long, only a few weeks.
That already sounds like a very natural workplace conversation.
And notice, nobody said anything difficult.
Now let's move from social talk to work talk. Sometimes small talk and work talk mix together.
Yes, a coworker may ask what you're doing or how your tasks are going.
You may hear, "What are you working on? Are you busy right now? Did you finish that task?"
You can answer, I'm just finishing this task.
Or, "I'm working on that now."
Or, I still have a few things to do.
Or, "I'm almost done."
Those are very useful because they sound natural and professional.
Now let's talk about something important. What if you are shy? What if you feel awkward?
That is very common. Some people think they must be very social at work, but that is not true.
Yes, you do not need to entertain everyone. You do not need to speak all the time. You just need to be kind and friendly.
If you feel shy, remember these things. Smile. Use short answers. Ask one simple question back. It's okay to pause. It's okay to be quiet sometimes.
Yes, being quiet is not a problem. Being unfriendly is the bigger problem. So even one simple sentence can help a lot.
That is such a good point. A simple good morning can make a big difference.
Now let's talk about a few common mistakes.
Yes, because sometimes learners make small talk harder than it needs to be.
Mistake number 1, saying nothing at all because you're overthinking it.
Sometimes even a short answer is enough.
Mistake number 2, trying to sound too advanced. Simple English is better.
Mistake number 3, giving a very long answer when the question is just small talk.
Yes, if someone asks, "How's your day?" they probably don't need a 10-minute story.
Probably not.
Mistake number 4, forgetting to ask something back. That can make the conversation stop very quickly.
And mistake number 5, being too formal. Small talk is friendly, not like a speech at a big meeting.
Exactly. Small talk is not a speech. It's just a friendly moment.
Okay, let's do some mini workplace role plays now.
Great idea. Role play 1, first day at work.
Good morning. You must be Sam. Nice to meet you.
Yes, I am. Nice to meet you too. I'm excited to be here.
How are you feeling?
A little nervous, but good.
That sounds very natural.
Role play 2, Monday morning.
Morning, Sam. How was your weekend?
It was good, thanks. I stayed home and relaxed. How about you?
It was nice. I went out with some friends.
Role play 3, lunch break.
Have you eaten yet?
Not yet. I'll eat soon. How about you?
I brought lunch from home today.
Role play 4, busy work day.
Is it busy today?
Yes, very busy this morning, but it's okay.
And those are all simple, but very real.
Exactly. So before we finish, let's remember the main points together.
First, keep your small talk short and friendly.
Second, simple English is enough.
Third, short answers are okay.
Fourth, ask something back when you can.
Fifth, do not try to sound perfect. Sound friendly.
And remember, small talk at work can feel awkward at first. That's normal. Everyone feels awkward sometimes.
Yes, you do not need perfect English to sound kind, confident, and friendly.
You do not need big English. You just need simple, friendly English.
And now we want to hear from you.
In the comments, write one small talk sentence you want to use at work.
Or tell us, what do people usually say at your workplace?
We love reading your comments, and it's a great way to practice.
And if this episode helped you, share it with one friend today.
And don't forget to subscribe to Speak English with Sam and Lily if you're new here.
Thank you so much for listening today. We believe in you. Keep practicing. You can do this.
See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.